Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna be doing a couple of things. That is unboxing and a little bit of haul. So both camera unboxing, which of course my sister got, and I was like, oh, let me do the unboxing of it. She said all right. And I'm also gonna be doing a haul, a Sephora haul and other stuff. But first of all, we're gonna start with unboxing the Sony A4600. Yeah, the Sony A4600. So we're gonna be unboxing that together. Not sure what to expect exactly, but we'll see. Let's get right into the video. Alright guys, don't mind the mess that's on my table. So yeah, don't mind the mess. The Sony A4600. So this is exactly what we have here. So a couple of unboxing is going to be probably taking up this side. So this is the opening. Okay, so this is what is at the top, instructions on how to operate the camera. So I'm just gonna put that down. This is another pamphlet that I got, but this one is in Japanese. You could also register your camera. And then this is the license and accessories. There's also a warranty. Getting into the fun part, there are two parts of the camera that's packaged. So this one is probably, I'm guessing, is to charge the camera, and this one is of course the battery for the camera. This tissue, I'm not sure what this is supposed to be. Oh, it's something to put your accessories inside. This is the charging port for it. This one, I'm not sure what this is, so if you know what this is supposed to be, comment down below. And of course there's another one. I'm just gonna put back everything. All right, the real deal is the camera itself. It's kind of like heavy. This is how the camera is. So nice. Oh my gosh, look at that. Would you look at that? This is so cute. It's so big too. Oh yeah, this is the accessory side to also hang your camera. This is so big and actually like much more. And oh, also it opens sideways. Oh, okay. It doesn't open sideways. Okay, that's something new that I just learned. It opens up. I feel like the screen is so dirty because I'm touching it a lot. But anyways, this is the way the camera is supposed to look like. So cute, right? This is honestly so cute. Look at that. So pretty. Should we put the camera on? I mean the battery on? I can see my reflection, plain view. Anyways, how do I put the battery on? And then we'll see. I don't want to play around with it. Not now. Not yet. I just want to unbox it and show you guys how it's supposed to look like. I'm gonna be turning it on.
Why is it not turning on?
Oh. Okay. It's supposed to be on the on side. Guys, what is going on? Or should I read the instruction? I should. It's kind of like there's not that much that's like given though. I don't think it came with a memory card. Where's the memory card supposed to be? Oh, it's not going to turn on because there is no memory card, and I don't think it came with a memory card. Did it?
Guys, we're in trouble. No, we're actually in trouble. There is no memory card.
And you need memory card in order for it to turn on. Anyways guys, I guess this is going to be such a bummer. Wait, so I can turn it on. I think what I need to do is charge it. Well, I guess I'm gonna be doing that later because right now I need to make this real. Anyways, I'll probably give you guys an update like 2 weeks time. I don't know, because I'm gonna be busy. Okay, so this is the camera. This is where you charge stuff and plug stuff, I guess, and also get memory cards. And this is the lens which you can detach, but I'm not going to. I also found out that you can actually flip this screen. I said that in the beginning, but then I was trying to figure out how you flip it up to be like to the top, and I think I'm actually trying to, well, I'm not going to play around right now because I don't want to break anything, but yeah, you can't flip the screen for sure. It's really so shiny. This is the end of the unboxing with this camera for this Sony A4600. I'm gonna go on with my makeup. Okay guys, back again. This is Sephora beauty supply. So let's start with beauty supply first. Okay, so this is gonna, I just needed to post for that. So this is gonna be Sephora, and of course I'm gonna do a haul on the lip gloss. All right, so I had to like refill my lip gloss because I bought it since last year. I bought a whole bunch last year, and it's now like it's time to change. It's time to restock. You get. So I think I got 6 more because now this is my last batch. Really tiny. It's so small. This is watermelon, is bubblegum, and then this is strawberry. So strawberry, bubblegum, and watermelon. They smell so nice. Whoa. Now that I restocked on these 6 things, I also restocked on my mascara. Only they had mascara, and it's really good. Like, I'm using it right now. It's the best, if you can't tell. Yeah, I'm using it right now. It's like, it's so good. I was even shocked. I was like, and it's pretty long as well. Like, it's really long. Really. I like it. I love it. Now that we've done a beauty supply haul, next is small mini Sephora haul. Okay, first thing is first is a small mini travel pack body wash. Oh my god, it smells so nice. Giving Hawaii. Is it Brazilian cream? So that's probably why it smells like that. Next is the setting spray. Had to restock with the setting spray. The setting spray are so nice. Next we have clearing serum. This is a brightening and clearing serum. It's really nice. M367, just in case you're wondering. We really like using this. Next, let's see, which one should I talk about? It's restocking on milk. I love this contour. I love using this contour. I'm using it right now. Like, look on my nose. Tell me it's not nice. Anyways, so this is the contour that is being restocked. Really love these. Next thing that was retouched, of course, is concealer. I miss concealer because concealer is finished. It's done. I skipped it to the end because I haven't been to use concealer in like a while. Next thing that was got is, again, this is a brightening eye mask. Really good for your eyes. You know, nourishes it. It hydrates your skin. You really need this. Get an eye mask. Yeah, this is just for the % off. Next haul is, this is a sculpting concealer. This is really good. Too Faced, of course, and this is in the color mocha, just in case you're wondering. Again, so A33, really good for my skin tone. Next is vitamin C plus E super glue serum. This is a C, and it's going to be, it's like a super glow. It has vitamin C and E inside, especially E. So definitely recommend vitamin C and E serum from Sephora. And then the next haul, of course, is going to be the Lift and Firm. This is a plumping booster serum. Like, a lot of serum was gotten. Yes, I understand you might not get it, but I did. Thing is, of course, you can't miss, it doesn't leave white cast, and this is the Glow Screen sunscreen. I really love this sunscreen because it doesn't leave white cast. The only thing is that the big bottle is so expensive. Telling me why it's so expensive. I saw this on Amazon, but the big bottle is so expensive. So Sephora, if you want to give me a sponsor, email me down in the bio. Let me know. Anyways, so this is, of course, I love the sunscreen for sure because it doesn't leave white cast, and I haven't really tried any other sunscreen. I really want to try a sunscreen that does not leave white cast on my skin tone. So if you guys have any recommendations, tell me down below in the comments. All right, and then last but not the least, of course, our perfume, which is the Valentino perfume. This perfume is really nice. Smells so good. I love the smell. I love the way it looks too. So luxurious. Tell me it's not. Anywho's, so that's pretty much it. You see, empty. So that's all for my small little haul plus unboxing camera. So this is the small haul, Sephora haul plus beauty supply haul. So this is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Anywho's, see you guys later. Bye.